Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most revered names in the olive oil world, Filippo Berio, and specifically, their Robusto extra virgin olive oil. If you're looking for an olive oil with exceptional flavor and versatility, this could be your perfect match. In this video, we'll explore why Filippo Berio's Robusto extra virgin olive oil is considered one of the best olive oils out there. Let's start by talking about the quality of this olive oil. Filippo Berio has been producing olive oil since 1867, with a rich legacy of craftsmanship. Their commitment to using only the finest olives ensures that each bottle is filled with rich, authentic flavor. The Robusto variety is no exception. Made from the cold pressing of the finest olives, this extra virgin olive oil offers an intensely fruity flavor with a delightful peppery finish. It's perfect for those who enjoy a bold, full-bodied taste that brings a depth of flavor to any dish. One of the standout features of Filippo Berio's Robusto extra virgin olive oil is its versatility. Whether you're drizzling it over a fresh pasta dish, adding it to a vibrant salad, or using it as a dipping sauce for crusty bread, this oil enhances the taste of everything it touches. It's also perfect for roasting vegetables, marinating meats, and even creating rich gravies and sauces. The possibilities are endless. If you love experimenting in the kitchen, you'll appreciate how this olive oil elevates your cooking with its robust and vibrant flavors. Another great thing about this olive oil is its impressive smoke point, which ranges from 356 degrees Fahrenheit to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it suitable for a variety of cooking techniques, including sautéing and grilling, while preserving its natural flavors and health benefits. Filippo Berio's Robusto extra virgin olive oil is also perfect for those who prefer cooking with healthier oils, as it's packed with antioxidants and monounsaturated fats that support heart health. Packaging is another area where Filippo Berio shines. The Robusto extra virgin olive oil comes in a sleek, eco-friendly 16.9-ounce RPET bottle. The packaging not only looks great but also helps minimize environmental impact. It's durable, easy to pour, and ensures that your olive oil stays fresh for longer. Now, let's talk about the taste. If you're someone who enjoys a more intense, peppery flavor in their olive oil, Filippo Berio's Robusto will likely become a staple in your kitchen. The intense fruity notes combined with the peppery finish bring an authentic Italian taste that is perfect for Mediterranean-inspired dishes. Whether you're making a simple vinaigrette, a flavorful marinade, or using it as a finishing touch for a dish, this olive oil adds a touch of elegance and authenticity to your cooking. Filippo Berio has dedicated 150 years to perfecting their craft, and their Robusto extra virgin olive oil is a testament to their dedication to quality. This is the kind of olive oil that makes you look forward to every meal, knowing that you're cooking with something truly special. So, whether you're an experienced chef or someone who simply loves good food, Filippo Berio's Robusto extra virgin olive oil is the ideal choice for adding rich flavor and authenticity to your meals. Be sure to give it a try and see how it enhances your cooking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one.